Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and today I'm going to be changing the oil on this 2005 Toyota Camry. Thanks for joining me. I've got my stepson's Toyota Camry in the garage, and today I am going to do an oil change on this car. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so with the car up in the air, I'm going to open up the oil cap here so it can vent while I drain the old oil. Then we'll go underneath and remove that drain plug. And this is a 14 millimeter on the drain plug. So there is the drain plug. And that is a 14 millimeter. Alright. And there we go. I'll let that oil drain out. And the oil actually looks pretty good. And now the oil filter is up on the front here. I don't know if you can see this or not. But it's right up there. And then this should just turn. You can twist it off. Alright, I can feel it start to come off here. Alright, there's the old oil filter. And there's the new filter and the oil that I'm going to be using for the car. I'm using the high mileage 5W30 from O'Reilly's. And I've got a MicroGuard oil filter that I'm going to put on there. Alright, so I put a little clean oil on that rubber seal. Now I can go ahead and put the new filter on the car. Alright, we'll get that in there nice and snug. I'm going to put the drain plug back in. All right, now I'm just going to set the car down and refill it with oil. And with the car back on the ground, I'll go ahead and fill it back up with oil. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and check the oil level. All right, and that is on the full mark. I don't know if you can see that or not, but and it looks good in there. So we are all done with this one. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching The Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and I'll see you next time.
Bye.